So hello days, hope you all are doing pretty well. So today we are going to resolve our error which we have come across in our previous tutorial. So first of all, come to our event, and one thing I want to add on here is like we did a blunder mistake over here. We forgot to import our packages. Import the packages. Okay, so these are all the packages which we have to import in our receive event.java. So kindly do this minor changing over your program and save it out. Again, open our command prompt for running this program, move to E, then change right to server, and then in server we have to run our start class java start.java. So we are getting 30 error. Let me do one thing. I will make the screen in two parts so that we can easily see the error and we can rectify it simultaneously. Okay, so here we go. Okay, so open our set password and give a semicolon over here, and again come to this package swing dot star we have to import. Just save it and try to execute it again. So now we are having some sort of 11 error. Let me rectify this and I will be back to you. So we can see here we are having a typo over here, so we just corrected our spelling. Visible. Again save it and run it. So now we are having 10 errors. So here we are using submit button everywhere since we are getting this type of error, submit. You can see it here clearly. So why we are getting that error? Because we used here uppercase letter. So try to change it as lower and then again save it, come over here, again run this program. Now we are short of 7 error. So here we are writing this. I don't know how I have written this. I think absent-mindedly I have written this class name. Because of this server socket I was in some dilemma. I don't know what mistake I did there. So let me correct this class name and then save it. So we have to change this class name, and after that we have to come over here and give semicolon, save it, and then again go to receive event and try to give colon over this cases. So let's run. So now we are short of 4 error. Okay, so change the spelling over here, send visible. Okay, and save it. Again run the program. Now 3 errors we are having, as you can see it. So let me go to our init class connection, and what is the error? Error is new data. So we have to go to 44 number line, new data. We have to change the spelling over here. Just save it. So if you will run this, you won't get any error. So for that, what you have to do, open your server folder and then go and delete this both.class file. Don't forget to delete this because already we have done the compilation of this. Again compile it. So you can see it here, still 2 error is there. The error persists. That's why we have done the deletion of this our both.class file. Okay, so let's go and remove that error. What is that error? That error is this. So as you can see here, already we have created one data input stream by the variable name as password, and second time we are again going to create this thing. So it is getting in dilemma. So here might arise the ambiguity problem. So let us change this string name as PS word. So PS word. So I guess we are good to go with this. Again save it. So you can see after running this program of Java, what we are going to get, we are going to get some exception. Again go here and delete this both class file and try to run this program once more. So you can see here easily after this error, here we have compiled our program, and in the 52 number line we are going to get error. So we'll resolve this error first of all. So let me do one thing. First of all, we have to manage our client side program PC, and in that in D, just open this client and try to delete this both thing. Okay, so I am going to delete this. Now open our command prompt. So in this command prompt, let's go to our client and then try to run our main class. So you can see we are getting this 35 error. Already we have seen that we have rectified our error, but that is because of that 2 class. Because that 2 class is getting executed, that's why we are not getting error in our send event and create frame class. See here, create frame class. So for that reason we are going to rectify this error now, and then we will see afterwards. So let's delete this both, and then we will try to rectify our error. Okay, so open this all. So here we have to write get instead of this set, and save this. Instead of set visibility we have to write set visible. Save it. Again we have to write it here, get. After that try to import the package java dot io exception. Okay, now save it. VASIBLE visible. So again you go here and delete this both dot class file. So come over here and again set it as visible, not visibility, VILE. Okay, set visible. Okay, so now let's come to our send event. So coming to this thing, we have done a blunder mistake over here. Control X and come over here and try to paste it within this. Okay, and save it. So after coming here, we have seen that for each and every mouse action we are going to give this mouse event. Okay, but here we have given motion event, so let's change it to mouse event, not motion event. See, I have just done the changing over here. Okay, and save it. So coming to the receiving screen, what we have to do, and over here you have to write just byte, not bytes. Okay, so just save it. Again come over here and write get graphics. Okay, again here cpanel.get width, and we forgot to give this, and cpanel.get height, and we forgot to give this. Just save it, don't forget to save it. And here we have to write bytes dot length. Okay, bytes dot length minus count, and save it. Similarly here get width and get height. Now come over here and change this P, and over here change this exception. Do the changing over here, keep pressed. There is no any method in our key listener whose name is start by key pressing. There is a method which name is key pressed, so we have to include that, because since we are implementing this class key listener. Okay, so you just change this as key pressed. And here see, you can see we are not overriding this method. Which method? Mouse released. Okay, so let us go and implement this mouse released. Let me copy this, because same thing we are going to write it over here, and just paste it. Right mouse, and here instead of press mouse, release our mouse. Save it. So after coming here, we have to change this type as int. Again save it. So we have to come over here, and we forgot to give bracket at this point. So let me give the bracket. Save it. Okay, so we are done with our client side error. We have rectified each and everything. Okay, now we will move to our server side. So after opening the server program, just be sure that there is no any dot class file. So just remove all the dot class file and open our command prompt. Change it to server and then Java. You can see 2 error is there, and we are having our .class file over here. Okay, so we are going to resolve this 2 error. So we forgot to initialize it like image, since we have used your image, so that is the reflection of this. Okay, save it. So after saving, make sure you open your folder. Where is your server path? So go there and delete this all 3 .class file. Recompile this code, and you can see we are not going to find any error over here, and our all Java classes created now. Run this program, and yeah, we are all set to go. So now it is waiting for client to get connected. So let me do one thing. I will record by my camera, and then I will show it to you how this is gonna work. Before that, I want to show you my client side also, how it is going to work. So let me open my CMD, and I will go to my E, and this E client will be there, and the client Java, and yeah, so Java start. So here it is asking for enter server IP. I am going to enter my second system server IP, which is 192.168.1.59. Let me get verify with this. Yeah, so this is correct, and let me press OK. And after that, what is my password? I set my password as ABC in my another system, and I will click submit. So you can see this is like minimize, just maximize it. So this is my server side system. Okay, I can show you, like, I will do one thing. I will open my command prompt, and you can see this is what my IP address looks like. Let me open my notepad and see, I can type it here. So easily you can see how I am going to access my system. Now I will show you the demo, how it is working, so that you can believe on me. So we have seen our tutorial, and like this we have completed this tutorial of RDP. So I will post another video separately in which I will show the demo which I have taken by my camera, so you can view it clearly, and you can get an idea behind that. Okay, so if you really like this video, don't forget to hit the like button, and don't forget to subscribe also if you have not done the subscribing yet. Try to share among your friend, so that who are in needful of this type of thing, they can easily make it. If you want source code for this, I will give it to you. Just ping me down in the comment section below, and I will send it to you. So thanks guys, I'll meet you soon in the next video, which I'm going to start on cockroach database. Take care, bye bye.